Laboratory. A. William James. B. Sigmund Freud. C. Wilhelm Wundt. D. Edward Titchener. Answer. C. Wilhelm Wundt. 2. Wilhelm Wundt's disciple, Edward Bradford Titchener, also defined psychology as the science of what? A. Behavior. B. The unconscious mind. C. Consciousness. D. Emotions. Answer. C. Consciousness. 3. Which method did Wundt and Titchener use to study consciousness? A. Observation. B. Introspection. C. Experimentation. D. Hypnosis. Answer. B. Introspection. 4. Why was the definition of psychology as the study of consciousness rejected? A. It was too subjective. B. It ignored unconscious processes. C. It could not be applied to animals. D. All of the above. Answer. D. All of the above. 5. Which psychologist was the first to define psychology as the science of behavior? A. William James. B. William McDougall. C. J. B. Watson. D. Sigmund Freud. Answer. B. William McDougall. 6. In which of his books did William McDougall define psychology as the science of behavior? A. Introduction to Social Psychology. B. An Outline of Psychology. C. Physiological Psychology. D. The Principles of Psychology. Answer. C. Physiological Psychology. 7. In his 1949 book, An Outline of Psychology, McDougall defined psychology as the science that aims to give us a better understanding and control of what? A. Consciousness. B. The unconscious mind. C. Behavior of the organism as a whole. D. Animal instincts. Answer. C. Behavior of the organism as a whole. 8. Who is considered the father of the behaviorist school of psychology? A. Sigmund Freud. B. Carl Jung. C. J. B. Watson. D. Ivan Pavlov. Answer. C. J. B. Watson. 9. J. B. Watson defined psychology as the science of what? A. Consciousness. B. Mind and behavior. C. Behavior, including human and animal behavior. D. Mental processes. Answer. C. Behavior, including human and animal behavior. 10. What did William McDougall add to his definition of psychology in his 1908 book, Introduction to Social Psychology? A. Mind. B. Consciousness. C. Behavior. D. Emotions. Answer. C. Behavior. 11. According to Pillsbury's 1911 definition, psychology can be most satisfactorily defined as the science of what? A. Animal behavior. B. Human consciousness. C. Human behavior. D. Unconscious behavior. Answer. C. Human behavior. 12. Which of the following psychologists defined psychology as the science of behavior? A. Sigmund Freud. B. N.L. Munn. C. Wilhelm Wundt. D. J. B. Watson. Answer. D. J. B. Watson. 13. Which of the following was a key limitation of the introspection method? A. It was too objective. B. It could not study the unconscious. C. It could not be used to study human behavior. D. It could only study animals. Answer. B. It could not study the unconscious. 14. Who defined psychology as a science and the properly trained psychologist is a scientist or at least a practitioner using scientific methods? A. Sigmund Freud. B. N.L. Munn. C. John Watson. D. William James. Answer. B. N.L. Munn. 15. DeSiderato, Hausen, and Jackson, 1976, defined psychology broadly as the investigation of what? A. Mental health. B. Emotions and feelings. C. Human and animal behavior and mental and physiological processes. D. Conscious and unconscious behavior. Answer. C. Human and animal behavior and mental and physiological processes. 16. Which of the following definitions best describes psychology according to contemporary psychologists? A. The study of the unconscious mind. B. The science of behavior and mental processes. C. The study of the soul. D. The science of introspection. Answer. Asterisk B. The science of behavior and mental processes. 17. Which method was criticized for being entirely subjective in studying consciousness? A. Behaviorism. B. Hypnosis. C. Introspection. D. Psychoanalysis. Answer. Asterisk C. Introspection. 18. What was one of the main criticisms of defining psychology as the science of consciousness? A. It ignored unconscious and subconscious processes. B. It was applicable only to animals. C. It included too many subjective emotions. D. It focused too much on behavior. Answer. Asterisk A. It ignored unconscious and subconscious processes. 19. Which of the following psychologists emphasized the importance of using scientific methods in psychology? A. J. B. Watson. B. N. L. Munn. C. Sigmund Freud. D. Edward Titchener. Answer. Asterisk B. N. L. Munn. 20. What was the key contribution of J. B. Watson to the field of psychology? A. The study of consciousness. B. The introduction of introspection. C. The emphasis on behaviorism. D. The development of psychoanalysis. Answer. Asterisk C. The emphasis on behaviorism.